Hello students, welcome to standard 10 subject mathematics. Now we will start a new chapter, chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. This is the chapter we have. In lecture number 1, we'll introduce the pair of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variable in 9th standard you have seen, and its standard form was ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That also we know. Here, what is the new thing? It is pair of linear equations in two variables. Means we have to see simultaneously two linear equations of two variables. So the general form for a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y are two variables having two equations. How to generally we have to represent it? For one equation only ax plus by plus c equal to 0 we are writing, but we have to show here two equations simultaneously. So that's why a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. One of the linear equation we will show in two variable, and the second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This way will represent pair of linear equation in two variables. Here a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, these all are real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. These two conditions show that simultaneously a1 and b1 will not be 0, both will not be 0 at a time. Any one can 0, a1 is 0, that time b1 is not 0. If b1 is 0, a1 is not 0, or both is not 0. But a1 and b1 both simultaneously will not be 0, then only this exists. So this is the condition given, and same for the second equation. Here also a2 and b2 simultaneously both will not be 0, for that this is the equation we have. So this is the general form of pair of linear equation in two variables that we have to remember, we have to write it. As we have seen in class 9 also, that the linear equation in two variable shows a line, right? So here we have pair of linear equation in two variables. So two lines representing two equations. So we will talk about two lines. So for given two lines in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can happen that we know. The two lines will intersect at one point. This one can be one line and second line. They are intersecting at one point. This possibility is there. This is the figure showing the situation that two lines will intersect at one point. This may happen. Second possibility is the two lines will not intersect. See, this way the two lines if I draw, they are not intersecting each other. Then they are called, that is they are parallel. When the two lines not intersecting anywhere, they are called parallel lines. So this is the situation shown in figure. And the third and last possibility for the two lines given in a plane is the two lines will be coincident. This is one line and the other line is also on that same line. Means coincident, means one line is falling on the other one. So this one line and the other line is on that, it is called coincident. On the same line, this second line is also coincident. So this way we have seen the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable in this first lecture. This we have to write down. And if these two are the pair of linear equation in two variable, these two lines equations they are, what will happen for the two lines given in a plane, that also we have discussed. The two lines, first possibility they may intersect each other, second possibility they may not intersect each other. At that time they will say them as parallel, and the two lines may coincident on each other. That also it happens. So three possibilities of given two lines in a plane also we have understood. So you are suggested in the first lecture to introducing this chapter, this standard form, and about the two lines, what are the possibilities, three possibilities that you have to note down. Thank you.